What's up, guys? Today we're going to be taking a transformer out of service at this one spot, and then we're going to relocate it to a new job. With the supply chains all messed up throughout the United States, we got a transformer shortage, so we got to use this on another job. So the first thing we're going to be doing is we're going to drop the switch, and then we'll take that jumper on the top side and take it off the main line and roll it up. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to isolate this transformer, and I'll start with the secondary bushings. I'll take the hot legs out first, and then I'll do the neutral last. Once I get those secondaries off, I'll go to the primary side and isolate that from the switch. It's a good practice to start with the secondary side, just in case there's any backfeed on the transformer. There's no nominal primary voltage on the H1 bushing. Once I get that done, I'll start isolating the H2 bushing. I want to keep these grounds on the H2 for the next job, just to help reduce or eliminate a step that we got to do when we get there. So once I get this transformer isolated from the pole, I'll back off the bolts that hold the transformer up about 1.5 inches, and then I'll take my hammer and hammer it out and float that transformer. I'll take this transformer sling, I'll tighten it up, and I'm gonna go ahead and get this switch out of the way because it's kind of where I need to be to pick this pot off of the pole. So I go ahead and pull that switch out of there. It's got to come out anyway. And then I'll go ahead and get my jib set up where I want. I'll extend it out as far as I can, and then I'll use my jib to pick that pot off the pole. Once I get it floated out of the primary area, I'll rotate it over to the bucket, and I'll drop it in the belly of the bucket so we can pick it for the next job. And then I'll go ahead and store my jib. I'll put it back to where it needs to be, and then I'll go back over to the pole and start cleaning up the hardware and the grounds, and then I'll drop that triplex out, and then we'll roll that up, get it out of the way, make it look clean, and then I'll rack the bucket, and we're done, guys. That's it.